Do these floor covers actually fit in large trucks? Well, let's find out. Let's break it down so you know exactly which cover works for your vehicle. The extra large floor cover is designed for full-size crew cab trucks with seats that fold up. It provides coverage all the way down to the floor with door-to-door protection. Large seat covers and extenders fit full-size trucks and large full-size SUVs like Suburbans. Now, if you're wondering what the difference is between the seat cover and the extender, here's the key. Seat covers have a soft bottom and simply sit on top of your seats. Generally, this is okay if you have a smaller back seat. Seat extenders, on the other hand, have a large hard bottom. They give your dog more space and create a stable platform that provides more support over the legroom area. What vehicle do you use to transport your furry best friend? Let us know in the comments.